At these beautiful earrings with an abstract design. If you'd like to learn how to make them, and it's actually very easy, follow me and watch this video. Hello everyone, I'm Olena and I'm welcoming you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use the same technique I showed before with stickers. Children love stickers, but adults also use them, for example in scrapbooking. And look at this design. It's a very beautiful abstract pattern, something close to mandala. I found it really attractive. So today I'll be using 25mm round blanks. They're very light, not expensive, and a perfect match for the size of these stickers. What I need to do is simple. Remove the sticker and place it onto the round blank. Press it nicely, and here we have. You see? It's very easy. And look at this beauty. Of course, I will trim the edges because even when the size looks perfect, there is often a little extra paper around the edges. Step by step, I continue. And here we have a pair. And another pair. In total, I have 10 different designs and I'm going to use all of them. It takes just a few minutes to create a whole collection with these beautiful patterns. I think even children can do this. It could be a fun project for a whole family. So here is the full collection. The lighting might be not perfect, but I'll try to show you how beautiful these earrings are. Yes, really wonderful. Whenever I finish using the stickers, I store them in a plastic bag to keep them from drying out. That way I can use them later for other earrings or different projects. Now the step is trimming the edges. With this type of sticker, it is not a lot of work, but I still go carefully and check everything. Then I use a wood furniture marker for the back and silver marker for the edges, and I apply a professional varnish to the back. Now the back is ready and I'm working on the front. I colored the edges with a gold marker and added a thin line around the shape. And this is how it looks. Very nice. To enhance the final result, I decided to add a little sparkle. So now I'm going to use a professional glue B7000 and place a small spark in the center, rhinestone in the center. You can also add other elements if you like, for example, more gold essence. You can use gold paint or anything you prefer to make the earrings brighter. But look at this, even a very small addition, just one tiny element, already changes the whole perception of the earrings. So I will continue working on the rest of this future collection. And again, use your imagination to enhance the look of these shapes. Now they are ready and you can see they look more lively. But at the same time, the colors are already beautiful on the oven, so you don't need too much. Now it's time to protect them. I'm going to use Mod Podge gloss. I was thinking about varnish, but gloss Mod Podge works very well with this type of paper. It saturates the surface nicely and creates a smooth, glossy finish. Mod Podge is water-based, but once it dries, it forms a strong, durable, protective layer. That's why it's one of my favorite. And the gloss is really beautiful, very similar to high-quality glossy varnish. Step by step, I cover each earring. I usually apply 2 layers. If the Mod Podge feels too thick, you can add a little water to make it smoother. But honestly, you don't need much. I've had this bottle for about 2 years. Even so, I use it a lot. It lasts a long time. And now, this is how it looks. I've already made the holes, so it's time to assemble everything. I'll be using gold-plated hooks and gold-plated jump rings. I slightly rotate the hook and loop about 90 degrees so the earrings hang properly. The process is very simple. You open the ring, attach the piece and the hook, and close the ring. And here we have it, very simple. Step by step, I'll assemble the entire collection. It's an easy process, but the result is really beautiful. And here we have all 10 pairs, each with a different design. They are simple yet rich in color. It turned into a very beautiful earring collection. If you like this video, please press like and write in the comments what you think and what kind of paper you use in your own projects. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.